Practicing French with your kids at home doesn't need to feel like school, and it definitely doesn't require perfect French. In this video, I'll show you simple, everyday ways to naturally use French at home with your children. The goal is not perfection, it's repetition, exposure, and fun. The easiest place to start is your daily routines: morning, meals, and bedtime. In the morning, you can say Bonjour, tu as bien dormi? On s'habille. On se brosse les dents. At meal times, tu veux du lait, de l'eau ou du jus? Bon appétit. And at bedtime, bonne nuit. Fais de beaux rêves. Next, use the objects already around your home. The door, la porte, the table, la table, the book, le livre, the chair, la chaise. You don't need hundreds of words, just a few, repeated every day. Now here's where it gets fun. Kids learn best when they are playing. Try toy conversations. Bonjour, je m'appelle le lion. Or a colour hunt. Trouve quelque chose de rouge. Or simple action games. Saute, Tourne, Touche ta tête. Even snack time can be French. Tu veux une pomme ou un biscuit? You can also add French into your daily background time. French songs during breakfast, short videos, or simple picture books. You don't need to understand everything, just repeated exposure over time. The most important thing is consistency. 5 to 10 minutes a day is more powerful than long lessons once a week. Learn together, make mistakes, and keep it fun. If you start small, French becomes part of your everyday life. And that is how children really learn. Merci, and see you in the next video. If you found this helpful, make sure to follow the channel for more French resources for kids, including videos, read-alouds, songs, and mini lessons you can use at home.